In this video, we'll install VoxCPM, an open-source large audio language model from OpenBMB capable of both speech recognition and voice generation.
Welcome to MuseFlow AI. Hope you enjoy this video.
VoxCPM is a cutting-edge multimodal audio language model built on the CPM framework by OpenBMB. It can both understand and generate speech, combining text, voice, and emotion into one unified model. Make sure your system meets the following requirements.
Now we will clone the repository from GitHub. Then create virtual environment from Python 3.10 and activate it. Now we will install the necessary packages. We will uninstall the old Torch package. We will check the current CUDA version of the machine and then install Torch according to the current CUDA. Then we install Torch codec. Now we will run the app. Now I will create a BAT file to run automatically without CMD. We just need to create a text file, then type in the content I left in the description, then change the file extension to .bat. Then go to the app file, add in browser equals true in launch to automatically open the browser.
Just by listening a few minutes a day, you'll be able to eliminate negative thoughts by conditioning your mind to be more positive.
I will run a sample prompt. The first time, you will have to wait for the necessary models to be downloaded.
Welcome to MuseFlow AI. Hope you enjoy this video.
Now I will try with another voice.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to MuseFlow AI. Hope you enjoy this video.
I will try checking the available features to see the output.
Welcome to MuseFlow AI. Hope you enjoy this video. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to MuseFlow AI. Hope you enjoy this video.
And that's it. You're ready to explore VoxCPM, a powerful voice-aware AI model. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.